special day.
Hindi na ka-plan.
Kahagard man isang naman.
OMG!
Hi! Una ka pa sa kon.
Wala ko kasi, napadulo, nalidanan. Alam mo kung mabba.
Ay, di ba lang? Agad ka nili. Ay, ako na sa kapis. Kapis ka. Kapis ka. I tried to do it.
Sa'yo ba lang ano ta?
Ang dahil mo ba? Pagkatog ko.
Maganda mo siya.
Balik ka. Internet. Wala kami wifi.
Actually, later lang talaga yung mga TikTok. Pero hindi ko mas-stick.
Ako na wala ang perfume ng babae. Hindi long lasting.
Kumahal. Wala ka tayo perfume. Kutong na do Versace na perfume. Dito guys ha, mga pila ka days before siya madula sa bayo.
Ano pa oh?
Yes, may wallet please.
Tapos limtan ko sa phone ko.
Oh!
Bye!
Bye! Check.
I-check! Bye! Bye!
Bye guys.
We're going.
Bye!
Bye!
Internet.
Good, good, good. Wow, ano sa film wow? Nakadami ako? Nakadami ko naman kwenta. Yeah. Tanang nga gata.
Gata yan.
Ito yung gata. Gata. Hindi ko na siya.
No, gani? Gani, ano ko, ako na, ako na ginamin ko, wag na.
Ang Phineas and Ferb nga, no? Po, ano lang kadagdag kung hindi. Ito magigda.
Tignan ko mo. Tignan ko, dagdag na ako sa face mo. Ano ako? Disposable ba? Ay, lang gini.
fresh na yarn. Para sorry, ginasipot na siya namot.
So, amo niyo.
So, ang pangkinis. Hindi lang sa tsura, kundi sa body parts.
Tinlo.
Para tinlo siya.
Balas.
Namalas, gid. Grabe, effort.
Kinaano ko yan? Now?
Kaya nag-soak ka naman. Taga mag... Mamamian ko bigyan ginatrapo. Okay man lang na ginapamala mo ah. Gusto ko lang bigyan ginatrapuan.
2, 3, go.
Okay. Liwat. 1, 2,
2, 3, go.
ay, ano na?
1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Kita ang gawali sa video ako bulo gaduglay-duglay ako. Ay, gila. Wala mo na sila remote. Feeling ko pang background music on. Wala mo daw cabinet or something. Ano natin ito dyan? Tatlo pala ito ganito.
Thank you for cute, Gani! I told you!
Oo, haging lay down ko akon. Kaya para di magtalang. So guys, it's the morning of yesterday. So guys, we're here at People's Hotel. Thank you for the accommodation and thank you for the toothbrush. It really helped our impromptu overnight stay. So today we are going to Robinson's, Iloilo. We're going to eat breakfast there and wait for the mall to open because we were hoping that Live for Cut, like a Korean photo booth, something is there, and we would like to take pictures. Yes, for remembrance and for aesthetic purposes. Yes, but I'm going home today. It's okay. Ano kami daan? Damo kami nagastos halin kagapon sa Subong, waiting for the new gastos Subong. Amo na nga kinanlan namon mag-hibernate pila ka months or maybe a year before kami magkita liwat para maggastos liwat. Kasi mga after next year or maybe 2 years na ipon kami na liwat para para may gastos pa liwat. Okay, recap of what happened yesterday. Nag-process, ibuligan ako process ni BISA sa akon nga civil service nga certificate, and then bobo breakfast kami sa Jollibee nga nakalayo-layo. Nag-grab pa kami sorry for our stupidity, nag-grab pa kami sa Jollibee nga may Jollibee gali sa kilid lang dalan. Okay, layo-layo pa to nga Jollibee kaduan namon. After Jollibee, booked sa Agoda here sa People's Hotel, and then after that nag-golf kami nga doa. It was a fun time. I was actually embarrassed because it was my first time doing golf, and there are a lot of pros in that area. The name of the golf place is Iloilo Golf Driving School or something. Sana. It only cost like around 99 pesos per tray. That's around 40 balls. And you can borrow their golf club for around 50 pesos, so you can share or you can like individual, or you can have individual clubs. So we did that, and I also tried their Tablea ice choco. It was good. It's good, but it's kind of pricey, but I think it's normal. Those were the areas where rich people hang out, so I can understand the price. I'm talking to myself. So after that, after we did golf, we back here to relax. Then we went to SM Delgado to have our dinner and also to buy necessities since important things or necessities. And then we wrote.
Wow!
Thank you for
update!
watching. Thank you for watching our vlog, and I'm sorry for ranting. You can cut a lot of like rantings there.
Kung mali upod mo, tanan spontaneous, so kailangan maging Girl Scout ka, laging handa.
Laging handa.
So ako, hindi ako Girl Scout, hindi ako laging handa. Wala daw mo gasto.
Pero worth it. Namun na gani ang bal ko, kakinahanglan naton mag-hibernate like a year or more than a year para maka lagaw liwat.
Tapos nag-alala ko, ali ko din sa...
Oh! Ang cute sa aton kay black and white atong theme.
Yeah, garden and soil.
Yes. Soil cause it's brown.
Wala ko ba wala. Anong experience nila? Bye! Bye!
Magtupad kasi mo, I feel so tall.
Okay, I'm done.
This one or this one? This one?
one.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay na? No. Printed na.
Kita ka mo right. Nakakaon ka galit chocolate. Amo na nga. Grabe energy mo.
Eat well. Mine is beef jajangmyeon and what's this? Green grape it. Yum, dig in.
Not my type na place.
Ano, dapat ito?